In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze or pause a video in CapCut PC. To begin, the first thing you want to do is locate the exact moment in your video where you want the freeze to happen. Look down at your timeline and click once on your video clip so it becomes highlighted with a white border. That lets CapCut know which clip you're working on. Next, take the vertical playhead line and drag it left or right across the timeline. Move carefully and place it exactly on the frame you want to pause. This part matters because the freeze effect will capture that exact split second from your footage. If needed, take a moment here and zoom in on your timeline for more precision so you can land on the perfect frame. Once your playhead is lined up, you're ready to freeze the frame. Move your mouse up to the quick toolbar located just above the timeline. Find the option labeled Freeze. The icon looks like a small layered square card. Click it once and CapCut will instantly create a freeze frame from the exact point where your playhead is positioned. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Alt and F on your keyboard to do the same thing a little faster. As soon as you apply the freeze, CapCut automatically handles the heavy lifting for you. It splits the original video clip at that point, creates a separate still image freeze block, and inserts it directly into the timeline. That means you don't need to manually cut the clip yourself before using the feature. The pause section is now sitting right in the middle of your sequence, ready to be adjusted. From here, all you need to do is control how long that frozen moment stays on screen. Look at the freeze block in the timeline and move to its outer right edge. Click and drag that edge outward to extend the duration. The farther you drag it, the longer the video will remain paused. This is especially useful if you're matching the freeze to narration, emphasizing a reaction, or giving viewers extra time to focus on a detail before the motion continues. And that's it. You selected the exact frame with the playhead, used the freeze tool from the quick toolbar, or the Alt and F shortcut, let CapCut automatically split the clip and insert the freeze block, and then adjusted the block length to control how long the pause lasts. Once you're happy with the timing, your video will hold on that frame and then continue playing normally right after.